Alright, it's May 22nd. We got like 4 inches of rain in 2 days, and then we got an inch and a half before that, and it's about 6 inches of rain total. But we're walking this creek, me and Nolan are. We got this little guy. He's looks to me like some kind of hope well that's just been really used, or maybe even an naphtha, I don't know. Got some neat color in him. See if we can find anything else. Okay, we've walked a little bit further and got my second one here. Looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, it's awesome. Little table rock, maybe. All right, we're out here in a different creek now, and we already walked this whole thing. Didn't find nothing but a few brooks. Got that one right there. It's got the base snapped, but most of it's there. Still pretty neat. But I don't know how we walked over that pink one, but it looks awesome. I think it's a rice.